Hey guys, my name is Reedy. It's 10 o'clock and I'm already sweating here. And it's October. Today we're going to talk about replacing your sunshade. I don't know if this is just a Florida issue or generally where it's hot. Talk about measuring, finding the right stuff, and actually working on the process of replacing it. So obviously this one's already been replaced, but we're going to walk through the process because I had a heck of a time getting this done, and my channel is all about fixing things, and I should call it stuff and things. Anyway, first thing you want to do in removing the old one is you want to remove the cap. Then on the top, these things will actually come out pretty easily. Just remove quickly. This will drop. And you're left with canopy alone. So for now I tried going to Lowe's, and I actually ended up going to Amazon because I had to click on each description to figure out the actual length of this thing. So what I would do is it's a lot easier when there's two people, first off. So we're gonna good enough. Let's see here. Yeah, that's about all you really need. And very carefully, so you don't bust this thing, you measure each leg from the top to the bottom. You want to lift it up to see what's actually buried in the ground. That comes out to about 51 inches or so. Do another name of this. Roughly 51. You also want to measure across here, which I'm going to have a hard time doing by myself here. Any helpers want to come out to Miami, give me a hand, let me know. Alright, so this comes out to 105 over here, ish. And this is what you're looking for. Like I said, I had the best luck on Amazon. For 20 bucks, I got this replaced. This contraption was a Lowe's product. Not exactly cheap. It was actually pretty well built, but sitting here in Miami sun year round, turned kind of decided to replace it, or I tried washing it first, and that didn't work out. The thing completely disintegrated. So if you do decide to try to wash it, I guess avoid Tide, and definitely avoid, avoid Clorox, and definitely avoid putting it in a washing machine. But some of you guys already knew that. I didn't. All right. So when you buy your new one, when it comes in, flip it upside down. Find the center hole. Find the center hole. And then flip it where it's on top. Pretty easy. Find the plastic part. Screw it in. The best way I found of doing this is turn this upside down. And for this one, each part that's sewed like this, the little creases, just slide into here. I was really hoping that it had something in the middle to keep this thing from taking off on me. I'll get back to you on that. That's my location. So you work your way through here. Put it up like this. And next one. Oh, note also in the description you want to look at how many legs are actually in your umbrella. I'm really curious to see. This is really weird. Do we call this a sunshade? I mean, I've heard this thing called a sunshade canopy. What do you guys usually call this thing? Comment below. I'm very curious. In the Czech Republic, it's sun visor, or sun blocker. Okay, and you test your product by opening it up. One sun visor, some money saved. Till next time, guys, have a good day.